Happy day to you. I'm back in the kitchen. This should not come as a great shock to anyone. Listen, today we're doing a recipe that a lot of people do different ways. I'm going to show you our version of what is typically known as Christmas crack. Guys, whatever variation or spin you throw on it, up in here we just call it gone. It does not hang around long. So I'm going to do two different versions of it today. We're going to start off over on the stovetop. We're going to start out about medium-high heat. And we are going to add in 1 cup of butter. I do not have any fresh cream, so I am using butter from the store. Otherwise, I'd be making my own. And as you can hear by the clatter and ruckus behind me, I have lots of help in the kitchen today. I am being supervised very closely by Gus, Sierra, Czar, Jinx, and Banji. Well, they're kind of in the kitchen. I don't let them be right here. So that's 2 sticks of butter or 1 cup. And to that, we're going to add in 1 cup, kinda, firmly packed in brown sugar. So you can see that's a little bit more than 1 cup. That's it. I need something to stir this mess with, don't I? Okay, that's going to melt, and it needs to come up to a boil. So while we're waiting for that to happen, let's get over here and get our other stuff prepped. Now in sheet number 1, these are foil lined, and I just very, very lightly sprayed them. Very lightly. And I can never remember how much these take. If it's 1 sleeve or 1.5 sleeves, but we're going to find out together. And what I'm using is a 15 by 21 inch sheet pan. I got some cracks right off the top. All we're doing, guys, we're just going to line the crackers up on the bottom of the sheet pan. Nice, neat little rows. And this is a fun little project you can do with the kiddos. It's great for developing their hand-eye coordination. You gotta line them up in nice little rows. Could even sneak in a math lesson. So I love using the saltine crackers. That's traditionally what we use, because you get that little taste of salt in there with all that sweet, and it's just wonderful. I'm keeping an ear open for any boiling sounds coming behind me. So a 15 by 21 is going to take 1.5 sleeves. I hope y'all had a chance to catch the video we dropped this morning. If you haven't, I'll drop it somewhere up here. I can never remember anyway, I'll drop it up here. Pretty important message. It's not our standard video that we normally put out, but it is something very near and dear to our hearts. And we hope that you pick up the positive message we're putting down. There we have it. Get back here. I hear some bubbling going on, so that was perfect timing. Now we're going to heat our oven up to 300. While you're not baking these per se, you are having to melt everything down. Now come on back over here so you can see what the mixture should look like in the saucepan. Now we are going to bring this up to a full rolling boil. And we're going to keep that stirring action going. I want to make sure that the butter and the sugar are nicely blended together. See, we have our nice little bubbles coming. We're not quite there yet, but we're getting there. See how everything just kind of pulled together? And notice how the color is getting a little darker now? So we're going to turn off our heat. Pull it off of the heat. And let's get this a-going. So we're just going to pour this mixture all over our crackers. All right, and we're just going to spread this out as best we can. I try not to leave any dry bits on there, you know. I want some good coverage on it. This is my most asked for thing in goodie boxes every year. I have to make a secret stash of it just for Joel. And then you take a package of your chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet, but you can use milk chocolate. You can even use the white. Butterscotch would also be good. It's whatever your taste is. You don't need to be too perfect about this. These are going to all melt down and you're going to spread them out anyway. And our oven is already preheated to 300. So we're going to pop this in there just right quick. Shut the door, and 5 minutes. That's all you need, 5 minutes. Now, while we're waiting for those in the oven to come up, we're going to go ahead and prep our second batch. These guys, the second batch I'm doing is with graham crackers. Just thought this would be a nice little switch up. All right. Same thing. We're just lining our sheet pan. Now, I'm not too concerned about how cracked up the graham crackers are. We're just going to fill in where we need to anyway. And it all gets cut up in the end. All right, we've got those all lined up on our sheet. And we're just going to wait for this mixture. And we're going to go again. All right, so while we're waiting for pan number 1 to finish melting up, we're going to take our mixture, get it spread out over our graham crackers. Now guys, this is not something that is suitable for the kiddos to do. This is boiling hot. Please be careful when you're doing this. Move that out of the way. Just spread out all over our graham crackers. Ah, yum. Every cracker needs some. Every cracker needs some. Even the floaters. Okay, and our last step, bag of the chocolate chips. All they had on the shelf was the minis. So that's what we're doing. We're just gonna move this out of the way. And grab pan number 1. And we're gonna put number 2 in the oven. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the oven. And we're going to take our spatula and just kind of spread everything out. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about, babies. And our final, this is optional. Now I'm just taking some finely processed pecans. Sprinkling right all over the top. Like I said, this is optional. And we're going to let these completely cool. Ta-da! Voila! And again with our spatula, I'm just going to spread all that out. Going in with our pecans. Now you can use the you can use M&Ms. You can use crushed up pretzels. Whatever you have on hand. This is what I had on hand. There you have it. It's that simple, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I had a lot of fun making them. They're easy. They come together, bing, bang, boom, just that fast. And you don't need a whole lot of stuff on hand. You know how we say it up in here. Keep looking up. Say thank you. Thank you. He's out in the shop. Ooh. Keep your attitude of gratitude at all times. Guys, there's always something to be grateful for. God bless you and keep you safe. I got to get back to work. You guys only see this little piece of the kitchen. Oh, holy cow. It's a little scary up in here. I got 5 things going at one time. Focus on this one, though. All right, guys, go make you some Christmas cracker, as we call it up in here, gone. Have a good one, and we'll see you on the flip. See ya.